This is our Finding Oxidation State 1 worksheet. We're going to look at KCl, and I'm just going to do the example of this one. I'm going to write my elements in, and you'll notice that there are more blanks or spaces than we need. I'm just going to cross this one out. There's more because you'll notice on this sheet it keeps going, and it's an example for all of them. Now our subscript, remember when we don't see the subscript it's 1, and same for chlorine. Now our oxidation state, we need to go and we need to look up potassium. Potassium is a +1. Always. Chlorine, I don't know. It's going to be our X, because if you look at the periodic table, chlorine has a lot of options. Chlorine can be positive, it can be negative. Now we've done this one before many times over, and we know. However, when we look at chlorine, it can be +1, +1, +5, +7, -1. And we're trying to figure out which one it is, because as we get more complex, it will be more. Now we multiply down. 1 times 1 is 1. Multiply down, and that's 1x. Now the 0 is no charge. There's no charge on this compound, so it goes here. If we had a compound with a charge, say SO4 with a -2, this would go over here, okay? But this one is 0. So now we multiply through. 1 plus 1x equals 0. When we solve for this, our chlorine is going to be x equals -1, which we know, and that goes right in the square. So what you're going to do is your metals, you pretty much always know, pretty much. Sometimes you'll have your oxygen there and you'll know that instead. Work through this worksheet, we'll go through it later.